here's the latest one. Back with some marbled paper, and found some downloadable paper on Etsy, and I'll put the links below that I really liked. I think there's about 8 signatures in here. It's got the hollow spine, and just really enjoyed all of the printables and lots of vintage ephemera. All of it is authentic. Botanical pages, printouts, book pages, different bird books, and this really great paper, and some book pages, botanical dictionary, and lots of different cards. I sewed in some of these belly bands, which was kind of fun to explore again. It's beautiful flower paper and some feathers throughout, some bird vintage book pages, and this calendar that I printed from some downloadable pages, just beautiful colors, and then some booklets that I sewed and put in, and some vintage ledger stamps that I got. So super fun, just putting together lots of botanical types of things, different kinds of paper, hummingbirds, and different kinds of flowers, and different kinds of paper, all tea stained. Another little booklet, some different papers and pockets in there. And then I double tea stained the lined paper. Got some nice edges, crumpled up some paper when it's wet, and then you go ahead and dry it in the oven. That's how I do my tea paper, in the oven. On parchment at like 175 or something. So lots of fun papers in here. So I'm losing one there. Another little booklet. There's a little card in there. And found some, a friend of mine gave me some cards that have some imagery with nature, and I thought that was really fun, so that's included. Sliding out. Just some watercolor paper, another belly band, a calendar, and then some paint colors, which I thought was a nice series of colors that went in here. And I did want to have some papers that you could write on. Another feather, and another postcard, nice and colorful. 1950, I think. And stamps sewn in and clipped in here and there. And an envelope. There's some extra cards, so those are in this. This is a coffee dyed envelope. That's just kind of tucked in there. A little bit of sewing, a little bit of fiber, some cardstock. I love that one. It's beautiful. My favorite is this Botanical dictionary that I use pages from all the time. It's just one of my favorites. It was a good find at a local library. They were having a book sale. So that was a really nice find, and just love that. I think it's from early 1900s, and the paper is like really thin, and the drawings are really nice. Another booklet with some of the botanical paper in there, some music paper. This one's kind of cute, actually. kind of tucked it over there. So little botanical pages, some music, some other botanical booklet I have. You can write over this or do some collage. I think I just kind of double put in there. And this was some really nice paper I just got. I love the color. It's just regular paper, a little bit thick, not cardstock, but just between sort of copy paper and cardstock. And here's just some more butterflies. This one's double-sided. Maybe we'll go with, this one's kind of nice. And this was a nice tea-dyed paper. Nice and warm tone. And then the back has some stamps and a vintage postcard. And some ledger. And some more bird book pages. Alright. And there we have it. Oh, tuck that in there. And I did varnish this one a little bit. I'm not sure if I mentioned that a little bit. Just to keep it from picking up everything. A little bit of a shine, but not too much. So it's a nice and rich color. And I just love it. And yeah, this is coffee. No, this one might be tea dyed also. I used to coffee dye them and then I switched to tea dyeing for a little bit. So I think it's about a 2-inch spine. Thanks.